Welcome class, compound interest. If you have not watched our video on simple interest, endeavor to do so. So the playlist. Now, compound interest, these are only two formulas you need. This first one is the one we'll be using continuously, but this second one has a rule. You only use the second one whenever you see this keyword compounded continuously. This is the keyword. Whenever you see it under compound interest, this is the formula we are going to use. But whenever you do not see this keyword, we are not going to use this formula, but what? This under what? Compound interest. And from simple interest, we only know that P is the what? The principal amount. The present amount. The amount you have at hand. And we said that what? That R is the rate. T is the time. And the N is the number of times you reach interest in years. And then this one is now the what? The future amount. It means that the amount of money, amount is what? Principal plus what? Interest. What amount are you going to have in the future after you have invested a money plus your interest? That is the amount. The future what? Amount. So whenever you know this variable, and for this it's still the same thing. Here, this is what? This is natural log exponential E. And this is RT. Now let's go to an example proper. You have a question on the board, you can see it. Susan put 20,000 in a saving account. The money she had at hand was what? 20,000. So P is what? 20,000 in a saving account. Paying at 8%. So your rate is what? 8%, which is what? 0.018. Compounded monthly. At this rate, how much money will be in her account after 40 years? So after 40 years, the amount of money is going to be, that means we're talking about the future amount, which is what? A. And our beautiful formula is what? That A is what? P into bracket 1 plus R all over what? N. And everything is what? NT, right? So you have your principal, which is what? 20,000. Bracket 1 plus your rate is already what? 0.08. All over the number of years. You can see here is annually, right? And they what? They said compounded monthly. So how many months do we have in a year? 12, right? Good. So here is 12. So we have 12 times what? 40 here, because we have 40 years. So your future amount is like this. So if you should punch this, so here is 20,000. If you should work this with your calculator, you will get 1.0066667. This time, this should give you what? 480. So if you control everything together, what you're going to get is in Naira. And the future amount is what? 485,476.79. And this is the future amount. So, this is the answer. John wants to have 2 million for retirement in 45 years. He invests in a mutual fund, paying an average of 9.5% each year. Compounded quarterly, how much should he deposit into his mutual fund? So, he wants to have this. So this is what? The future amount, right? So that is A. So we write our formula first, which is P into 1 plus what? R all over N into what? NT, right? So they want to know how much we should deposit, meaning that is what? P, the present amount. So this is what? The future amount is what? 2 million. 2 million. Then we have P, then we have 1 plus, and we have what? 9.1. 9.5, which is what? 0.095, right? Divided by 100. And then in what? In what? Look at compounded quarterly, meaning the year in a quarter, which is what? The quarter is what? 4. So I'm going to divide by 4. So this is what? NT. So 4 times 45. So this is what? 4 times what? 45. Right? Good. Now, because of space, if you should work this out with your calculator, what you arrive is P is what? We give you 29,249.96. This should be your answer. So point it to your calculator and get the answer. Now let's go to the next example. Example number 3. Sarah wishes to turn her what? 10,000 investment into what? 100,000 in 20 years. How much interest does she need to receive compounded what? Annually? How much interest does she need to receive compounded annually to reach her what? Her goal. Now, what do you need is what? How much interest does she need? How much interest does she need? Meaning the rate annually, right? Good. So write our formula, which is A is equals to P into 1 plus what? R all over N plus what? NT, right? So what we are looking for is what? Our R. The future amount is what? What she wants to achieve in the future is what? 100,000. The present amount is what? 10,000, right? Now, this is 1 plus what? R is what we are looking for. And then, remember, it's annually, right? So, and the time is in years, so this is 1. So, NT, this is 1 times what? In 20 years. Good. So, R is what we are looking for, right? So, the first thing we're going to do is divide this by this. Once we divide it, we'll divide both sides by 10,000. Divide everything by 10,000. So this will cancel this. This will go with this. So this into this will give you 10 into 100 will give you what? 10. Right? So you have 10 into bracket 1 plus what? R all over 1 and 20. So what we are going to do is, I want to remove this 20 because what we are looking for is R. So I'm going to times the both sides by what? I'm going to times it by 1 all over 20 because I want to remove this one. I want to remove that 20. So times everything by 1 all over 20. So this will cancel this. So I have 10 raised to the power of 1 all over 20, which is equals to what? 1 plus R all over 1. Right? Good. So all I have to do right now is take this, collect like times. So if I collect like times, I'm going to have that my R is equal to 10 raised to the power of 1 all over 20 minus 1. And then 10 raised to the power of 1 all over 20 should give you 0.122. Right? This 10 raised to the power of 1 over 20 minus 1 should give you 0.122. Then, remember, rate is always in percentage, so we have to times everything by what? 100. And then my answer is going to be what? 12.21%. Pause. So, example number 4, Henry invests 50,000 naira into an account, into an index that's averaging what? 8.4% per year, compounded semi-annually. Please be noting the key word, semi-annually. At this rate, how many years will it take for him, for his account to reach 1 million? Right? So they want to know how many years. So we have our beautiful formula. A is what? P into 1 plus what? R all over N, and you have what? NT. So what we want to find is our what? T. So our amount, the future amount, which is 1 million, is equal to the one he invested was 50,000, right? So we have 1 plus 0.084 by dividing our rate by 100. So divided semi-annually is a year divided by what? 2. Semi, you divide it by 2. So you have 2 here, and then here NT is what? 2T. Now it's still 1 to 5, right? Good. Now the next thing is I'm going to divide this by this. So 50,000 divided 1 million divided by 50,000 should give me 20, right? So I have this. If you work this, what you're going to get is 1.042, right? And you have what? 2T. Now, the next thing is, what am I going to do in order to solve my T? It's very simple. From our theory of logarithm, I'm going to what? Take the log of both sides. I'm going to take the log of both sides. So, I'm taking everything to log. Now, in log, if I take the log of both sides from here, under the theory of log, it means that my power here will come back to this side. So from here, what it means is it's going to be like what? 20 log 20 is equal to 2T log of 1.042. So that's what it means. Remember, what I'm still working is to find my word. I want to find my word. I want to find my word T. So from here, all I have to do is I'm going to have to divide everything by what? 2 log 1.042. Now divide everything by 2 log of 1.042. So this goes with this goes with this. So I have T. Therefore, my T should be this divided by this. So log 20 should give you 1.3103, and this 2 log this should give you 0.035735544. So if you divide the 2, what you're going to get is what? 36.1. 36.4 years. Good. And in case you don't understand what I did here, in log, for example, if you have, let me say, 2 raised to the power of 3t, and I have, for example, let me say 2, let me say that x is equal to this, and I want to take everything to log. If I take everything to log, it's going to be log x is equal to log 2 raised to the power of 3t. And in the theory of log, whenever there is a power and there is a log here, this power automatically comes to the back. So it will just be what? 3t log 2. It's a theory in logarithm. So that's how I got this. That's how I converted it from this to what? This. Good. So we have a beautiful example here. Juliet invests 100,000 into an account, paying 7.2 interest, compounded continuously. Compounded continuously. I already gave you a formula for this. This is a keyword. And in this one, remember, we're not going to use this formula because of this keyword, compounded continuously. So what I'm going to use is what? A is equals to what? P exponential what? R what? T. Because of that keyword. I said it at the beginning of the video. Now, so from here, my P is what? 100,000. You have 100,000 as P, and I have my exponential. My rate is 7.2 divided by 100, and you're going to get what? 0.072. And then it's what? You have 30 years. You times everything by 30. So 100,000 exponential of what? Raised to the power of this should give you a very simple answer. If you press this times this, so you have 100,000 exponential. This times this should give you 2.16. Then if you press this thing in your calculator, what you're going to get as your answer will be 867,113.77 as your answer. Remember, the amount is in naira. So Good. Henry wants to have 1,550,000 years. How much should he invest now in account paying 12% interest compounded continuously? In this course, since from the beginning of this course, you could see that the key to all this simple compound interest is what? Bringing out and noting your word, the key word. You could see that we have word, compounded word, continuously. So the formula I'm going to use is what? A is equals to P into 1 plus R all over N NT. Is this the formula? Is it what we are going to use? Of course, no. This formula is not going to work it because of the key word here. So the formula we are going to use is what? A is equals to P exponential of what? RT. And then what we want to find is what? P. So we already have the future amount, which is what? 1,500,000. And we have our P, which is what they asked us to find. And you have exponential R 0.12 times what? 50. So this is 1,500,000. And then you have P. This time this should give you what? It will give you 6. Now, what we want to do is what? We want to get P. So all you have to do is divide by what? Exponential raised to the power of 6. Divide everything by exponential raised to the power of 6. This will cancel this. If you should press this in your calculator, your answer P is going to be 318.13. That should be your answer. So please, in this video, you could see that all we do here is what? All we are doing here is noting out the keyword. Thank you very much. That is all for the video.